In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up scheduling options, create appointment slot rules, connect payment gateways, and embed the booking tool into your live client page. We'll go through the full process in a simple, practical way so you can get your scheduling system ready for real client bookings. The goal here is to make sure your appointment setup is organized, your payment methods are connected, and your booking interface is visible exactly where clients need it. To begin, open Chrome and navigate to your scheduling dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, locate the scheduling options list menu and click the row icon item associated with it. This area is typically where the main configuration tools for availability, booking behavior, and appointment display settings are stored. Taking a moment to access the correct menu first helps prevent changes from being made in the wrong section. Next, create a new customer appointment slot allocation scheme matrix registry. In simpler terms, this is where you define how appointment slots are distributed and managed for customers. You'll want to set this up carefully so your availability appears consistently and accurately. This structure usually controls how time slots are assigned, how they repeat, and how the system organizes them across your booking flow. As you work through this part, double check that the schedule logic matches the way you actually want clients to book with you. A clean slot setup now can prevent confusion later. After that, move on to integrating the standard payment gateway options tools by setting up your Stripe and PayPal account connection pipelines. This step allows clients to pay during the booking process using familiar and trusted payment methods. As you connect each gateway, make sure you're working in the correct account environment and that the integration completes successfully. It's a good idea to confirm that both payment options appear as expected, since smooth checkout is a major part of a professional booking experience. Once payments are connected, embed the scheduling interface block module directly into your live client booking page layout sections. This means placing the booking tool where visitors can easily see and use it on your website or client-facing page. Be mindful of placement, spacing, and overall visibility so the booking experience feels natural and intuitive. If the interface is buried too low on the page or placed in a confusing section, clients may miss it. Finally, save all adjustments. This is an important last step because unsaved changes can cause your setup work to be lost. After saving, it's always smart to review the live booking page and confirm that scheduling, payments, and interface placement are all working together correctly. And that's it. Your scheduling setup should now be configured, connected, embedded, and ready for client use.